Hello, this is Jack from teachingeslonline.com. Now, today we're going to talk about turning your Facebook likes into paying customers or paying students, because I received a question on a video I made recently from somebody who said, I've got 3,000 likes on my Facebook page. I post infographics, which is a great type of post to post because those usually have high engagement levels. 3,000 fans, infographics, but I'm finding it hard to convert them into paying students. And I know a lot of people struggle with this too. So I'm going to talk about some things to think about and some or a really powerful strategy to follow, but then also fill in some gaps along the way so that it's not just all about tactics and technical stuff. It's going to make sense, hopefully. So a good place to start is to look at your Facebook page and go to your insights and look at the people who are following you. And we have to be blunt about it. Which countries are the most popular on your Facebook page? If you are based, or if your service is just like a different type of service, which isn't language based, then this is going to be different. But as an English teacher, as many people follow me are, you're going to get students from all over the world. And again, being blunt, certain countries are more likely to pay for your services than others. So you need to look into that. Now, it might be also based on where you are in the world and how much you charge. But that's a good place to start. Start with the audience. Is the audience a good audience? Are they engaged on your Facebook page? Are they liking your posts? How many people are engaging in a week, and where are these people from, and what is the general makeup here? And then think, is that enough? Are enough people who might buy my product, my service, are enough of them engaging with my post right now? That's one thing to look at. The second thing is to think about your conversion rate. And instead of just going deep into each different type of action that they may take, just look at a general number. What percentage of people who are engaging with my post have signed up for my services? Now, you might be getting people from different types of areas, from YouTube, from Facebook, from classified ads, from your website directly. So it might be difficult to know, but you should have some type of grasp on this figure, and you can probably give it a good guess, a good guesstimate. So if your conversion rate is 0, okay, and you have a lot of people on your website or on your Facebook page, then you have a conversion problem. If your conversion rate seems to be okay, but you don't have enough people on your Facebook page, then you have a traffic problem, a number problem. Both of these things are important. Now, what you need to do, and what I recommend everyone do, is to think about ways to improve that conversion rate. It's something I'm constantly doing. Now, we need to also look at the whole strategy involved here, because when I look at teachers who get in touch with me or buy my course and ask for help, and they send me their landing page, they send me their Facebook page, they send me their website, the vast majority of teachers don't get it right when it comes to the conversion part. Now, what I mean by this is they'll send people to a page or a website where it's not easy for them to take action. It doesn't excite anybody when they get on the page. It doesn't make anyone want to take that type of action. It doesn't give something in return. The extreme example of this is sending people just to a generic homepage where it's more or less impossible to take action and get in touch with the teacher. So here's what I recommend doing. Using the content plus call to action method. I have a video on this, but in a nutshell, it's when you create content on your Facebook page, for this example, and then you have a call to action. The call to action could be book a free trial lesson with me or download an ebook. Then produce content for free on Facebook that people enjoy, that people engage with, and include that call to action. Then look at the actual process of people taking that action to taking a lesson with you and fill in the gaps. Is the initial landing page good enough? Can you make it better? Can you make it convert at a higher rate? Can you run some tests, which you can do through Leadpages? And I'll leave a link to Leadpages in the description. What can you do to improve that? What can you do to improve the trial lesson and make sure that people turn up? What can you do to improve your trial lesson in general so that people want to sign up for your lessons? There are so many different ways that we can improve this sales process to increase conversion rates. And then go back to the Facebook page once you have that system in place and think, how can I get more people engaging with it? And once you have a system that is converting at a rate that you think is adequate, you don't have to maximize it straight away. It's a constantly evolving thing. Then you can say, okay, now I can push the content out. I can join Facebook groups and get more people joining my page. I can do more branded content. I can put more energy into this because there are results at the end of it. So hopefully that's answered the question. It's Facebook, it works, but you have to do it properly. And you have to do it in a way so that it's benefiting you. And it's going to benefit you if you have a good call to action, a good process, and you create quality content that people like. Okay, so what I recommend you do is go to the description. There are other videos on this topic that go into the landing page, into email marketing, into the social media content strategy. And then I've also got some free guides for you. So yeah, check it out. And if you've enjoyed this, please like and share it. All right, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.